Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Bobby Wash. I'm gonna show you guys how I found my drone. I thought I lost it for good this time. I did a video shoot out here in Sarasota, Florida for a rapper named Bishop Hollywood and his featured artist Tay Ricks. But back to the DJI Phantom 4. Basically, I had the drone out there, but unfortunately, sometimes DJI will force an update on you at the wrong times. And this was one of those wrong times where I was bringing the drone back home. I had about 48% battery left, and I was about maybe 2 minutes away. So I was backing it up back to home, and all of a sudden it said I need an update on my app. When it says I need an update on my app, it lost connection with my drone, and boom, my drone was lost. Luckily, the drone knows better not to land itself in the water because of GPS. It lands on dry ground somewhere where it can make it in time. I guess it felt it needed to land it closer than the home where I started to take off. So basically, the drone was lost. So I'm gonna show you how I found it. I got the app open right now. It's a black screen, but I got the app open. In the left-hand corner, hit the map box. When I hit the map box, it showed me this graph, but I wanted to see it more in detail so I can see exactly like by the satellite. So upper right-hand corner, you see those two little squares together, right-hand corner. You click that, and you open up this menu here, standard, hybrid, and satellite. Naturally, you're gonna see standard. You wanna go to satellite. Now, satellite right here, it shows you where my drone started from, right by that bridge. Where you see the red mark, that's the plane, that's my drone. The home is where I started. But the drone was lost this way, a couple miles this way, and we use jet skis for this video shoot. So that's how I was following the guys over the drone with the jet skis, and it landed over this house right here where that boat is. And there's a pool in the backyard. Right next door is a white house. To the left is a brown house. It landed on right between the white house and the brown house, but it's on the side of the brown house. Luckily, when I got there, unfortunately, when I got there, the neighbors in the White House were very, very rude, and they told me don't get on their property. But I got on their property anyway, so I can go across from their property to the other property to get my drone, right? So because it was a barricade blocking me from getting to the other one, so I got on their property first because it was closest, and I got from there and I jumped the wall to get to the other property, and I went on the property. And I got my drone out the guy's yard. I lost a wing. That's all I lost. So I ordered 4 more wings, but the drone is working perfectly. And this just proves that it keeps an eye on where your drone was last. It has a picture of the whole route that it took if you come in this section right here. So I just want to help those who don't know about this, because I didn't know about it and I had to figure it out. And I was really like, man, I don't want to lose this drone. All right, so I hope this helped you out. I'm gonna do things like this about the DJI Phantom, about cameras like I use the Panasonic G8V for music videos. I shoot feature films. I do music, R&B soul music. I mix, I master. I do a lot of things. So my channel is always pumped with different ideas. Some of my work at the same time. I do have things like this. If I stumble across an issue or problem, you know, if somebody else has the issue, they can come here to my channel and solve it. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please share my page, and God bless you guys.